for you. Open yourself to me. Throw down the doors. I'm over here, you're over there. Come over here, Aki. Here's the church.
Where to go with her? What to eat with her? What to listen to with her? I had very specific questions to ask her. In fact, I didn't even spend much time with her. I was too busy. I pretended to be busy.
You're more than the sum of your private parts. Embrace Zoroastrianism. Wake up.
I didn't get to ask these questions. And by the time I realized I was seeing her after the security gate, over the bad airport muffin, over the very dirty coffee, water, the only kind you can get at the airport. She said something like, "You seem independent." That didn't make me feel anything. No, nothing. She also said something like, "Do you have anybody you trust?" No, nothing. I cried last month, and then I just couldn't stop crying, and this lady came into the next stall. She had diarrhea, playing, crying out, different kind of music. She noticed I was crying right next to her. She said, "Are you okay?" And I said, "Are you okay?" And we had a silent conversation, unspoken dialogue about who should leave the room first. She exited the room first, so I had to stay in a small bathroom stall, alone, waiting and laughing. Laughing crazy.
Nice. I had some genuinely memorable experiences in the Janty. I really wanted to to do some good things there. I want you to improve conditions for people in eternity. That moved a little beyond even my powers. But I just want to thank you for being here with me in this room for eternity. And I'd like to thank everybody who came and shared eternity with us here. Over these many millennia, packed into all the people who suffered and the people who got wet in the rain. I think we've disproved, once and for all, Sartre's dictum that hell is other people. There will be a last supper with headphones.